This hair right here is UNice off of Amazon. It's a 13x6 body wave lace front human hair wig. It's a free parting. Y'all saw how that parting goes even further past here. I'm gonna put some concealer or something in the middle, and it is a pre-pluck. They say pre-pluck, but I did have to go in and like really do some more plucking to it, but because I was gonna wear it down, I didn't really do anything. And I have my notes here, and it's 150 density, and it says pre-plucked natural hairline with baby hairs. It actually is unprocessed Brazilian Remy hair wig, and this is by UNice, and the price of this one was I will put it down below. Eva, I'll put a link down below. So what I wanted to do was actually tell you about the hair. The hair is really soft. Now I've worked with UNice or UNice hair before, and this hair is like really nice. This length right here I think is a length 24, and this is really nice. I actually can get away with just wearing it like this if I really wanted to. I'm thinking I should, but I think I probably want to just go here on and just put a couple, maybe just a couple of curls in here with my wand curler. And this one right here is the Remington, and it goes all the way up to 450. So I wanted to see how this hair is going to curl. Actually, that's what I want to see, because it's a body wave. I wanted to see. I haven't wand curl in a long time, guys. Now this hair, I've worked with UNice hair before, or UNice, and this hair is like nice hair. So yes, it does get a nice wand curl. You see that? That's a nice curl. I'm dropping stuff, guys. So I'm gonna just be actually curling, just wand curling some of this. This hair is beautiful. It is just so beautiful. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. And I should have on the glove with it, but I guess it would take me to burn myself, and then I'll go get the glove. This hair is like really nice and shed proof. I'm gonna tell you, I have like three orders from them, and I love this hair a whole lot. I'm not doing anything, you know, like really tedious. I just want to just get a couple of curls in just to see what she's gonna look like. And if you can see, look at those curls. They are nice curls. Now I'm just gonna just bring her out like that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. She is so super soft, y'all. Now I had her for a while, and I just had other things that I had to do, so I didn't get a chance to review her. But she is a lace front, and the lace is like really natural looking, but I did have to go in and do some plucking. I really did, because I did want her to be a little bit more natural looking. More like up to date. I also have a Rose Gal haul coming for you guys soon. So, oh my goodness, this is, oh, do you see her? Oh, she is beautiful. So I'm gonna get that haul out of the way pretty soon for you guys. Yo, let me tell you something. I did a whole makeup tutorial yesterday, and because I can't have my beauty room inside of my living room anymore because of the cat, I had to move back into the bedroom, and I'm gonna tell you, honey, honey, it is just, the lighting was crazy, so I couldn't get that video out. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave that video alone. You see how good this is curling, y'all? You see this? I mean, I'm not like making this up. Y'all see it? I'm doing this in front of you guys, real timing. The curls is just really nice. They come quick. I mean, you don't have to try to do a whole lot to it. And this right here needs to be flattened a little bit more. I don't know, am I going to do the whole head with you guys or just one side and come back with the rest of it? Do you see it? Look! What? So yes, this is what she looks like. Do you see this, honey? Yes, she is like gorgeous. It's bouncy, fluffy, and I just wanted like some nice, just some nice little way. little, you know, long curls. And I haven't worn curl in a while, so I was like, you know what, let's do this. Plus I've never worn curl UNice or UNice hair, so I was like, let me just and you see I didn't even hold that on there long at all. I have somewhere that I have to be. Right now it's probably like 12 something. I have somewhere I have to be at 2. So I thought maybe I would come and warm curl this hair. That way y'all can see what UNice has to offer in case if you want to know a nice vendor. UNice is a very nice vendor. Their hair comes really thick, y'all. It's thick. I'm telling y'all, it's thick. And it's fluffy, and it's bouncy, and it's soft, and it's long lasting. So yes, honey, that right there I wouldn't mind spending my coins on when you get yourself some good hair. And Amazon, y'all know I'm an Amazon shopper. I love Amazon, especially when you have Prime. Girl, you got Prime. You got everything if you got Prime, because you get your stuff shipped to you like within 2 to 3 days. Usually it's 2 days, but I be tripping. If it's 3, we all gonna be mad because I want my stuff when I want it. And if I have Prime, please don't be late. Don't be 3-4 days or saying that it was a problem with shipping and all that. I ain't trying to hear that. I want my stuff. That's the good thing about Prime. If you have it. She gave me these lashes that I have on, y'all. You see these lashes? These are the lashes that came with the hair. And I was like, I'm going to put these on. Y'all, let me tell you. I had bought the 25mm, the 3D lashes. I haven't tried them on yet for y'all yet. And the reason why I didn't is because those lashes, oh my goodness, it look like I got a beard on my damn eyes. You know, they are just too fluffy, too big, too fluffy. And they don't even go across my whole, well, they go across my whole eye too much. It's like, I'm telling you, it's like a mustache. Not a beard, but a mustache over top of my eye. And I was like, oh, hell no. And Jay, he was like, oh, baby, they nice. But, you know, sometimes men tell you shit like that just so you can be able to, you know, feel good about yourself, knowing that it's ugly sometimes. Just tell me the truth. Then again, Jay would tell me the truth, but I was like, I'm not feeling that. Definitely not feeling. I am like putting these curls in like effortlessly. Y'all, I cannot make this up. And y'all see I'm not doing no brushing. I brushed one time on each side and that was it. And these curls is popping in. Girl, snatch this hair for me. It's gonna be 90 degrees outside, but I still want to be beat. You know what I'm saying? I need a beat still. I am not going to be, oh wait a minute, I got a little snag in that one. But it wasn't a snag like naughty snag. It was more like, you know, get it together, girl, because, you know, it can get a little rough on you if you don't. So I just ran my fingers through it. Y'all got some long ass nails on today. These Warm curls is popping in, honey. I'm telling you, I'm not doing much to it. I don't feel like it. Y'all don't look at my muscles. My big fat arms ain't muscles though, y'all. I've been working on them. Just a little bit. Oh, I messed up on that one. But what I'm going to do is just bring it this way. I don't know how long this been, but it's real time. Y'all count the time of how long it's been since I did this. Since I put these curls in. And look at this. Do you see the curls? Actually, this one looks like it needs to go a little bit more this way. If I'm not mistaken. Let me just kind of like, come on, now don't bring my baby hairs up now. I want them to stay. Y'all, tell me that I know how to wand curl. Your girl was having a difficult time for a minute trying to wand curl this. What is this? Okay, let's go ahead and get this. And you know you really shouldn't be taking them out, but I like mine to be really loose. Really loose. Really loose. Look at that baby right there. Oh my goodness, honey. Okay, so I am finished. You see this already. I am done with my curls. And these curls is effortless. They are nice. They are beautiful. This hair is like really full. Do you see it? What? Girl, get your life. Get your life, Jay. Yes, with this hair, honey. I like the big fluffy curls. Let me turn around so you can see the back. Do you see them, honey? Fly, baby. Yes, girl. Girl, what? So, yes. This is UNice hair again, and it's off Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, you'll be able to get her in two days. And this is the Brazilian body wave hair. But y'all see, I done changed her, and she can wand curl, and I have her all the way up to, what is that? I have her all the way up to 400. I did have her on 410, but you know about me wand curling, my hand keep hitting that. But I had her all the way up to 400. It can go to 410. I had it to 410 one time, and that was it. But she curls really nice. She wand curls. That's still a curl. She wand curls really nice, and she is real. Oh my goodness, honey. And if you really want, you don't really need a sheen to it because it's like it already have its own thing. I have not put nothing in this hair. Nothing at all. Besides when I was putting her down, you know, I have sprayed a little bit just so I could be able to get, you know, my frontal together. But this is what the frontal looks like. And I'm not doing for any more plucking or anything, y'all, because like I said, I'm going to be wearing her down. Okay. So, honey, anything else I'm missing? I have not worn her long enough. I've had the bundles, but I did have a wig from her, but I don't know if I did a body wave. I'm not sure, but I know this is the first time that I am wand curling her with you guys. For right now, the most part, I don't have any shedding. So besides me plucking, and I brushed it out, and that was it. The texture of the hair is like really nice, and yeah, y'all, it looks like I'm rich, honey. It looks like I have some rich hair in my head, but you're really not spending a whole lot, so yes. So anyway, you know, like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Oh, one more thing. If I have missed anything you want to know about the hair, just let me know. I already let y'all know the placements of the comb. It's a 13x6. I done told you everything. I don't have any cons right now at this moment because I've worked with UNice hair before, and UNice hair is really nice. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, hey girl, hi, how you doing? If you're not, then my name is J Baby. Actually like the video, comment down below, guys. I will put everything in the description bar that you need to be able to get your hands on this hair if you would like to purchase it. Am I trying to tell you to buy this hair? No, but y'all already see it for yourself, honey. You know what I'm saying? You can, I'm gonna rock this today because I have a 2 o'clock appointment. What time is it? Okay, so it's 12:36, so I wanted to know how long these curls will last. When I'm editing it later on tonight, I will let you know how long my wand curls last down in the description bar. If I forget, please remind me, okay? All right, so you already know, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off once again. Mwah.